guys, what's going on? My name is Dominique, and in this video, I'm going to break down why it's important to have multiple websites, especially if you're in a high-risk industry. So let's say you are in the credit space or the real estate space. You aren't going to want to give a bank a website that's going to show exactly what you do, because that's going to lower your chances of getting approved. That's going to even lower your chances of being able to open up a bank account, and it's just going to lower your chances of being able to get funding, period. Okay? So you need to make sure that you have a website that is for your customers, your actual customers, that has your products, your services, and then you have a separate website that you use solely for funding. Meaning that when you go and fill out applications for a credit card, a line of credit, even opening up a bank account, this is the website that you give them so that they can go and do their research on you and your business. The other thing that you're going to want to use this website for is when you go to get a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal, because if you're going to be accepting payments, you're going to need a payment processor, and they're typically going to want to look at a website. So we use Stripe, and Stripe is the kind of payment processor that is going to look at your website. So you want to make sure that you have separate websites in place. What should this funding website look like? Well, it can be super simple. It can just be your logo, it can have like a nice picture on there. It could just be a simple graphic that you find on the internet by just doing a Google search, and then you want to make sure you have a contact form and maybe some other services that your business provides. One thing that I highly suggest when you go and register your business and ask what kind of industry you're in, I recommend two different ones. I recommend either consulting, because consulting is such a big umbrella and covers so many different types of different businesses and different services, and you can really do so much with the word consulting because it really is a big umbrella. Or I suggest that you use the word education. So like me, being in the digital space, if you see yourself eventually creating digital products where you're going to teach people, whether it's an ebook, a course, a masterclass, it doesn't matter what it is, but if you see your business going that route where you're going to be teaching people something, then education might be the route that you want to take, especially if you're in the industry of real estate. When you go and apply for funding and a business sees the word real estate, they're not going to want to give you funding because it's a high-risk industry. The income from that and the money in the real estate industry is up and down so often because the market is very up and down, dependent upon the economy. And that's why it's really important that you choose wisely when you start your business and you decide what industry you're going to have your business be in. My name is Dominique, and I hope this video helped break it down on why you might need more than one website and what kind of website you're going to need when you go and apply for funding, especially if you are in a high-risk industry. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, hit the like, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.